Unfold the Cube drone today, get it up in the air, and show you how it flies. Unfold the Cube drone today, get it up in the air, and show you how it flies. Unfold the Cube drone today, get it up in the air, and show you how it flies. So let's talk about the Black Knight Cube from EDrone. This is a unique quadcopter. It looks like a Rubik's Cube, then it unfolds to be a drone. Now it does have a 720p camera, which is nice. That's 2 megapixels. In the bottom of the drone you see there. It has some fancy LEDs. It does have altitude hold, which is nice. They are brushed motors, so they're not super powerful. It's probably best as an indoor drone. But you're going to see here, we're going to fly it outside, and we're going to show you some FPV video. Now, it does snap into place, as I showed you in the beginning, so that those arms don't fold down while you're flying. But you don't necessarily actually have to do that if you want to use that as kind of a safety mechanism. All right, so let's get this thing up in the air and show you what it can do. And then we're going to show you some FPV onboard video as well. I hope you like it. Enjoy. So here we're getting some onboard 720p video from the 2 megapixel camera. You can see there is no image stabilization, so you're going to have to fly nice and slow. Like I said before, this is best suited as an indoor drone. It's not going to handle the outdoor wind